Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create conversion tracking code in Google Ads account. To create a conversion tracking code in Google Ads account, first we need to open the Google Ads account and then go to goals and then now click on summary. And once you click on summary, drag down and now click on new conversion action. And here I'm going to create a conversion code for the byju's.com. So I have entered an url as byju's.com and then now I'm going to click on scan. Once it was scanned, it will give you a Google tag, and now click on done. Once it was done, now you need to proceed. So now click on continue, and now a conversion action. In order to create it, now I wanted to create a conversion for a lead form submission, so I'm choosing this option, submit lead form. And then I have entered this byju's.com as a url, and now I'm going to click on setup. And I would like to create a new manual event, and I wanted to name the event as a lead. So I entered the name as a lead, and then I'm going to click use event. Once I use the event, and now I'm going to save and continue this action. Now the Google tag submit lead form, drag down. If you can click here that see event snippet, here you can see a code, and this code will track how many users came to the thank you page. That means you will get an information that on how many leads will come to you, how many leads come to your website. This code you can use it on your website to track the lead, how many leads you got it. And now I'm going to close it, and I'm going to click on finish. Now click on lead, go to details and then just drag it down, and now click on tag setup. And now I'm going to click on the install the tag yourself. And then, so if here you can see there are two codes are there, that means the first code is for the conversion code, that you can see how many users came to your website, and the second code is to give you a data like how many leads you got, I mean how many conversions you got in your website. This is the code, you can use it. So that is it. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, guys.